Break Front Properties and Construction. This job, we got the new roof, new windows, new siding, new gutters, new plywood. This house got on fire, the new trusses, new framing, everything in this house. So we get the outside done, and then we're gonna jump in the inside and get the inside done. Changed the siding a few times, the gutter selections, the gutter colors. So now we're gonna put the gutter guards on afterwards. There's a lot of leaves, and to protect the gutters with the gutter guards so things don't get flooded with the rain and clogged up. Break Front Properties and Construction. We work with insurance companies, water damage, storm damage. Give us a call if you need any type of small projects or big projects. Thank you very much.